Hey, ever found yourself juggling 15 tabs, overwhelmed by SEO articles, random links, and conflicting info? You've got all this data, but no clear picture, right? I've been there, and it's chaotic. Then I discovered MetaGPT X's deep search agent, Iris. It doesn't just answer questions, it digs deep, delivering clear, insightful reports, and even turns those findings into actionable stuff like PPT outlines and functional websites. Now, it's my personal research assistant. Whether I have to make the buying decisions or mapping out my learning workflow, IRIS gives me the most accurate results on single click. But hold up, before we dive into testing Iris with two incredible case studies and transform them into a PPT and a fully functional website, let me introduce you to something that will completely change the way you work. If you're building websites or apps for your business, you need a partner as fast as your thoughts. Kinsta gives your website the speed and reliability it deserves. It's the hosting solution that keeps up with your fast-paced workflow.
Kinsta is a managed hosting for WordPress service that makes your website run up to 98% faster. It's not just about speed though. Their security is top-notch, with up to a 99.99% uptime guarantee. But it's not just about the tech, it's about the people. Kinsta's support team is available 24/7, and they're actual WordPress experts who respond in minutes. No AI chatbots, no reading from a script, just real people ready to help. This means you can focus on your work, while they focus on keeping your site running flawlessly.
I've experienced the difference myself, having dealt with a painfully slow site in the past. Trust me, Kinsta has been my best investment of 2025.
If you're ready to experience fast speed, Kinsta is making it easy. Get your first month free and a 30-day money-back guarantee when you switch. They'll even handle the entire migration for you. Just visit Kinsta.com. The link is in the description, and there's a QR code on the screen. Let Kinsta take care of the heavy lifting.
Now that your website is running as smoothly as Iris works, let's jump back into the action. Here, I'm logged into the MetaGPT dashboard. You can sign up too by clicking the link in the description to get a massive 750,000 daily free credits. In my last video, I gave you a quick walkthrough of the dashboard, where I built a fully functional task management app with the help of a collaborative team of 5 agents. If you missed it, definitely check it out. Now let's get into our first case study. Help me research whether the iPhone 17 is worth buying and which version is better. I'm going to enable deep search and choose the reasoning model Gemini 2.5 standard version. You can always go with the Pro version for advanced research, as everything is perfect. Let's see how it handles this research. And wow, IRIS is truly working its magic. It's sifting through hundreds of papers, reports, and news to pull out the most valuable insights, saving you from all that info overload. The result? A beautifully formatted, comprehensive 10-page report packed with depth and precision. What's even better? It goes beyond just the basics. The analysis dives deep into features, pricing, comparisons with previous models, and expert recommendations. Plus, the citation format is carefully crafted to meet academic standards with a complete and accurate list of references. But it doesn't stop there. We can interact with the report in real time, asking Iris to explain specific chapters in more detail, add related data, define key terms, or even create comparisons from different perspectives. MGX's capabilities go beyond just analysis. With a single click, we can download the report or instantly turn it into a beautiful PowerPoint presentation. Here, you can watch Alex build a comprehensive analysis and buying guide in a PowerPoint slide, covering key iPhone 17 features, innovations, price comparisons, and key takeaways. It's that simple. Just download and share with anyone. How awesome is that for your buying decisions? Drop in the comments which iPhone 17 model you are buying. Iris did an awesome job with that buyer's guide. But can it go a step further and help to take deep search and turn it into a real workflow for learning data science? What if it could create a personalized roadmap for you and make it super interactive? Let's test it with a guide prompt to IRIS to create a well-structured document covering all the essential topics, so I can dive into my learning journey with a clear roadmap. Don't worry, I'll drop it in the comment. And here's where the magic happens. After gathering data from multiple websites, links, YouTube videos, and documents, just like it did in the iPhone case study, a complete report is ready. You can start learning by downloading it, but that's just the beginning. I'm turning this document into an interactive, gamified data science website with step-by-step chapters, quizzes, progress tracking, and a design that's super friendly for beginners. First, Mike, the team lead, takes a deep dive into the request and assigns David, our data analyst, to map out the structure. After some serious analysis, the task is handed over to Alex, our system engineer, who gets to work on the front end and back end, making sure the UI and UX are absolutely eye-catching. And within minutes, my data science learning website is live. And the best part? It's fully responsive for mobile devices. It's divided into 4 chapters, with a sleek, clean dashboard tracking my course progress. Take a look at my progress bar. It's waiting to level up as I move through each chapter. The quiz for Chapter 1 is still pending, and until I complete it, the rest of the chapters are locked. Achievements? Locked too. This is where the real challenge begins. Once I finish the quiz and crush it, the next chapter is unlocked. How cool is that? It's everything I envisioned, an interactive experience with step-by-step chapters and live progress tracking. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now and get started with MGX with 75,000 daily free credits. Let me know in the comments what you create. I read every comment, like subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome updates on the latest AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.